Hi y'all, welcome back to Music Theory 101 week 27. I have been enjoying this so far. I hope you guys have. I got one picture from Rosanna that I will put of her square that I will put in the video. I will also put, like always, the picture of the album for this week at the end. Last week was a beautiful time, and I did orange, yellow, and white are the colors, pretty much the only colors in the album. And I kind of like it because today is officially 100 days till Halloween, and this ended up being candy corn colors, so that made me happy. I think this one is so pretty. I'm really liking this square right here. Like, makes me think of Halloween. Anyway, so there's my square. I forgot last time. I'll try to remember to put the tutorial for this square. Put the link down below so that if you want to check out the square, you can. It's really not much different. All of this part's regular granny square. It's the middle that's different. This week's album is The Beginning by Black Eyed Peas. So there is your movie for the, not movie. There is your album. I think I said movie before in this. Anyway, album. That is the album for the week. Oh, baby's sitting on it. And like I said, this is my square for this week. And I will be back next week with week 28 and the square for Black Eyed Peas. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. I'll be back in just a little while with my 100 Days of Halloween video. And I love y'all. Mwah.